DTD Auto would like to send greetings to all customers. From Motoscan Tab 2.0 will support many new motorcycles up to 2021 as tuning A/F ratio by remapping code in the ECM, smart key programming, Odo calibration for new motorcycles, and new features of media display technology. Motoscan Tab also adds standard calibration, repairs 31 types of Odo new models, adds the function of reading Odo current value directly from the dashboard for convenient checking results without having to plug in the power of the dashboard on the vehicle. It can check before and after the calibration process, immediately confirming the calibration is successful. DTD Auto would like to introduce an example of the Odo counter correction function and read the current Odo value from Odo on the NVX 155cc Yamaha dashboard. Hi everyone, this is a customer's Odo NVX 155cc Yamaha watch that is failing due to using other tools but has been data errors. The customer's request is to repair the dashboard and set the Odo value as 12,345 km according to the motorbike's requirements as before. Yes, this is easy with a professional Motoscan Tab tool or DTD Auto's tools. Please follow up on how to solve this problem on the NVX 155cc Yamaha watch right now. Please open the Motoscan Tab app on your tablet. The interface displays the functions. Click Connect OBD system on the vehicle. Continue to click on the manufacturer, Yamaha. The screen displays the list of vehicles. Find and select the vehicle NVX 155 ABS. Select Odo item to perform Odo calibration. Select the function, Reload Original Data, used to repair ODO when data is fault or repalche new EEPROM. Require. To ensure safety of the odometer, you need disconnect odometer supply power before connect to Motoscan Tab. Require. Use ODO cable, MTB08, ODO2, to connect signal pins to odometer as guide image. Use the Odo cable to connect the signal pins to the Odo NVX dashboard, with the PCB unsolder circuit pin. Require. Connect odometer or Saruit board, soldered ODO chip, to Motoscan Tab. Motoscan Tab 2.0 supports a lot of functions, so when plugging in, we need to plug in the correct direction as instructed on the device. Motoscan Tab is writing original ODO data. Please wait according to the estimated time of the message on the screen. Congratulations! Original ODO data is written successfully. Select the function, Adjust ODO Value. Used to adjust Odo value on LCD screen when you replace a new dashboard or odometer is faulty. That you need edit new ODO value equivalent with old ODO value. to follow motorcycle using time and maintenance time. The connection request has been done before, so we just need to click the Continue button to do it. Please enter new ODO value. Congratulations! You have adjusted new ODO value successfully. You can check the value of ODO by reading the current ODO value directly from the Motoscan tab. Select the function, Read Current ODO Value. This function used to read the current ODO value, that is useful for inspection and repair. The connection request has been done before, so we just need to click the Continue button to do it. Yes, the ODO value after correct correction is 12,345 km. After adjusting the ODO value on the Motoscan tab, you can proceed to check the value directly on the Odo NVX 155cc Yamaha meter. Remove the ODO dashboard out of the unsolder PCB kit. Next, you are able to look up the source supply pins of the Odo NVX 155 ABS dashboard. Yes, the number is already. So the dashboard is operating back to normal. You have seen the convenience in the new functionality of Odo to solve problems very quickly and professionally. Not only with Motoscan tab, but other products of DTD Auto also solve this situation of yours. Customers who are using Motoscan 1.4 will be updated free with new functions in the Motoscan Tab 2.0. The new version will support many new cars until 2021. Add more AF ratio tuning functions for Honda ECM up to 2021, smart key programming, Odo correction, and some other special functions. I wish you success with DTD Auto's Motoscan tab products. Thank you and everyone for watching this video. If you find the video interesting and meaningful, please click like or subscribe, to give us more motivation to make the next videos. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.